Data science is packed with jargon, and sometimes you'll hear acronyms that make you think, wait, what does that mean? Today, we're unpacking some of the less common data scientist slang you might stumble across, so you're not left in the dark. First up is CI/CD, which stands for Continuous Integration and Continuous Deployment. This is all about automating how code gets tested and delivered. It's a favorite for data engineers and scientists who build machine learning pipelines, ensuring smooth updates without breaking everything. Then there's MLOps, short for Machine Learning Operations. This is a set of practices for deploying, monitoring, and maintaining machine learning models in production. Think of it as the bridge between building a model and keeping it running in the real world. Ever heard of AUC? That's area under the curve. It measures the performance of a machine learning model, specifically how well it can distinguish between different classes. The higher the AUC, the better your model is at making accurate predictions. Another less common term is TPOT, which stands for Tree-Based Pipeline Optimization Tool. It's like an automated assistant for choosing the best machine learning model and parameters, saving data scientists a lot of time. Lastly, there's SMOTE, which stands for Synthetic Minority Oversampling Technique. This fancy-sounding acronym refers to a way of balancing datasets by creating synthetic data points for underrepresented categories. It's a lifesaver when working with imbalanced datasets. The world of data science slang is always evolving, and sometimes the acronyms are as complex as the work itself. But the more you learn, the more fluent you become in this unique language. Comment for topics you want us to cover. Subscribe to keep learning.